In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix PayPal Permanently Limited Account 2025. If you've just seen a notice that your account is permanently limited, here's what that actually means and what you can realistically do next. A permanent limitation, sometimes called a final closure, is PayPal's way of saying the account is considered too risky or in violation of the user agreement or acceptable use policy. When this happens, you can't send or receive payments with that account anymore. You can't reopen it for normal use, and any remaining balance is typically locked for 180 days before you're allowed to withdraw it. I want to be upfront. Permanent limitations are designed to be final. Reversals are rare, there's no guaranteed fix, and the goal is mainly to get clarity, ensure your side is heard, and secure access to any funds when eligible. Your next step is to contact PayPal through the official support channels inside your account. After logging in, go to Help, then Contact Us. From there, use every contact method available to put your case on record. Start with the in-app chat. Clearly and calmly summarize what happened, reference the permanent limitation notice, and ask whether there is any appeal path for your specific case. Keep your explanation consistent across messages and stick to verifiable facts. If chat doesn't give you a clear outcome, reach out via phone support. Be concise, ask for the status of the review, and note any case numbers or instructions you're given. Expect scripted responses at first. Politeness and patience typically lead to more helpful details. You can also reach out through social media support, such as Twitter or Facebook, using PayPal's official accounts. Don't post sensitive information publicly. Instead, request to continue the conversation in a direct message and share your case number there. Finally, submit your situation through the message center or any appeal form provided in your account. Write a short, factual summary, include relevant dates or transaction references if asked, and avoid speculation. The goal is to help the reviewer understand context quickly. From here, monitor your account notifications and messages for updates. If PayPal maintains the limitation, prepare for the 180-day timeline and plan to withdraw your remaining balance once it becomes available. Keep copies of your communications and check back periodically, but avoid creating multiple duplicate cases, which can slow things down. While outcomes vary, following these steps gives you the best chance of a clear answer and timely access to your funds.